here we have the my BUGHA LED gaming keyboard. I just get a kick out of the lights, the fact that it lights up, and I like that. I'm not a PC gamer, but like I said, I was given a gaming PC, which I'm going to transfer a lot of my regular media software to it because it has, I'm assuming it has way more power. I did need to pick up a second keyboard. So just out of kicks, you know, because I have some of the other BUGHA products, and I've done reviews for them like I'm doing now. This is a review for the keyboard. The keyboard is huge. It's not gigantic, but it's thick. It's really thick. Very well sturdy construction. It lights up more of a pulsing, you know. It doesn't, unlike the mouse pad, where it has different settings and you can rotate the colors. I don't know if this does it. I just got it and I haven't had a chance to. But it's, as far as I know, it only flashes, you know, faster and slower. You can only adjust how fast the timing on that, you know. It's not like it's green one and then flashes all yellow. It's green, yellow, and red just flashing, you know, at intervals, and you can adjust the intervals. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a PC gamer. I don't find nothing special for it. It's going to take you used to getting used to my other keyboard, which was just basically an Amazon replacement keyboard for my HP computer. So what I did notice right away is some of the keys are in different. Some certain function keys are in different places. Here's a big one. Like the play to increase the volume, to mute it, whatever on the computer. I guess fast forward and play. There's this FN key, and I guess it's so you don't, while you're gaming, accidentally hit a different key and do something, you know, crazy. You know, but you got to press that to use any of the functions, except for, and they even changed the Windows Start key. They gave it a different icon. Why, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, that's the thing. Everybody's trying to reinvent the wheel, you know, just to make it their own, or do something different. Sometimes it's not necessary. But yeah, it is a decent quality construction, even though it was an open box. I should have mentioned it and maybe got like, you know, less than what it was. But and then when I got home, two of the keys came off. I was able to put them back on. But still, yeah, it happened. There are the specifications, keyboard compatibility, PCs with USB socket, black light mode. There's an on and off for that. The number of keys is 104, I guess is standard. USB power for the lights. It's only one cord that you know. So the same cord that connects it to the computer for uses also runs the power. It does have function indicators. I guess like the LED, yeah, which is, you know, like the numbers lock or the caps lock. Wow, I didn't even notice. Oh, yeah, they moved the cap lock light to a different space over the number pad. And just some basic stuff there. The basic simple stuff they're making a big deal out of it. It's not really nothing special. I do get a kick out of the fact that it's like it says anti ghosting or something, the way the keys are made or whatever. I noticed I did have to the little legs on the back of it, I had to flip them up because it sat higher than what I was used to with the Amazon one, which is really thin. You know, to tilt the keyboard toward me so it'd be a little more comfortable to use. The fact that it, you know, and it's just like it's just eye candy, eye candy, which I get a kick out of. You know, again, carried by Five Below. Yeah, it's just, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Well, yeah. When I transfer my hard drive out my HP into the gaming tower, which has more power, no, you know, I just switch everything over. The HP tower will be recycled. Yeah, but it was just something cute to buy. Just something cute to buy. You know, because I get a kick out of, and I've mentioned this before, I get a kick out of the RBG LED lights. I don't think the modes for that are any different. I think the keys can be rearranged or something. There's I have like what they call a gaming pad. It's a mini pad. It's only certain keys. There's no need for that because, like I said, I'm not a PC gamer. There is one particular game I do play on my PC to kill time. And I got a Bluetooth controller for that. So really, it's not that much of a big deal. It's just nice. It just looks nice. Okay, so thanks for watching. You know, please like and subscribe. Feel free to comment. You know, but yeah, I get a kick out of the lights. You know, yeah. All right, thanks for watching.